Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Disconnect the right speaker cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the 2.3mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the right speaker off of the display enclosure and remove. Important: the power button board must be removed from the old right speaker and placed onto the new right speaker prior to installation. Reverse this procedure to install the right speaker.